Oh, we're just waiting to go live on Facebook, and then we'll start our day 9 Red Day recap. I think this is the most important Red Day recap we will have today, or not today, but so far. And let me just hold on. Facebook thinks I'm spam, so we gotta go tell them that I'm not. Look at, we removed this post because it looks like spam. It doesn't follow. What am I doing wrong? You know. But anyways, okay. So today we traded OHGI. All right. So what I do in the morning, I look at my scanners, and I see what looks best. I go to the charts. I see what gaps up. I see what doesn't gap up. And for the example, this stock. This was on my momentum scanner, by the way, not my gap and go scanner. There's two different things. You know, gap and go, it'll gap up pre-market and then breaks the pre-market higher and it goes. That's what I like to trade. But this momentum scanner, it popped up in my scanner, and that was later after my second trade. But anyways, what I did was I saw OHGI on the scanners. Is it OHGI? Yeah. So I liked it. It looked beautiful pre-market, you know, had news on it. But the thing was, I think the thing is that news was kind of like people have already seen that news, you know? Because look, back in 2014, this is important. One Horizon Group executes term sheet to acquire 123 Wish. Okay, that's December 14th. Now let's go look at this chart on the daily chart. What is this? I don't care about that. But anyways, on the daily chart, December 14th, boom. This thing goes crazy from like $1 all the way to $3.38. But since then, it's pulled back, and I was waiting for that news that happened today. And what I was thinking was this thing did what I wanted it to do, but here's where this is why this is important for you guys to follow rules and not get greedy. All right. So I have like these little post-it notes right on my monitors. You know, like cut your losses, don't be greedy, be decisive, take your profits. Not every winner will be a huge winner, and that's what I was thinking today. I got greedy. All right. So here's a pre-market high at 289. First of all, my order. I'm down $75 today, by the way. All right, and I'm going to tell you why. My order, I don't know what it is with TradeStation, man. I don't feel like super comfortable with it. I don't know why. I don't know what it is, but like the speed I'm trading at, I don't feel like TradeStation's like keeping with it where I want it to be, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna have to get it situated. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to get it figured out. So I wanted to hop in at the break of pre-market high, or anticipation of the break of pre-market high, at 280, and the pre-market high is 283, I think, or 290, was it? Oh, I think this was still happening pre-market. I might have bought like close to pre-market. I think this was the second into the market opening. Yeah, second in, literally right at the bell. I saw it popping up right at the bell, but I wanted to buy at 280, and then what I have to do is, like, when I'm clicked on my Thinkorswim, I have to click over here. All right, say this has popped up. So I have to, let me just lock this first so I don't accidentally buy something. I have to click over here just for it to hover over. And what I did was I clicked that. I thought I wasn't on this page, so I clicked the 286, and then it actually put in a limit order at 286 instead of 280. So as you can see here, you have to press this and then you can buy it. You have to press it twice, you know what I mean? I don't know, it's like the little things that add up that annoy me. So what happened, I tried to see, and then it like this, when the stock's very volatile, man, this thing like shakes. And I have to always look at this and not the charts on the level 2, and I'd rather have hotkeys, so I'm looking at the charts and I can just press a button, boom. But so I wanted to get in at 280, all right. And I was anticipating a $3 to go to $3, and sure enough, we hit $3. And what I was, man, it's just I wanted to take profits there, but again, I was too slow. I had to keep looking back and forth of the level 2 and my charts, and it popped up to 303, and it started selling off a little bit. Like it started consolidating. We'll go on the 1 minute chart here. Yeah, see, it popped up real quick, and then it just fell down, consolidated a little bit, and then ended up closing at a lower price, just above my entry. I'm 6 cents over what my entry wanted to be, anyways. Yeah. As you can see on this 1 minute, it pulled back right here, and I wanted to get in. Boom, right here, 280, and then test $3 and sell at $3 if we can't really see any follow through, and we didn't. But man, it's just I don't know. I don't feel comfortable with this trading metrics thing right here. I'd rather much have hotkeys. And sometimes this does work. It works for like a slower type move, a move that where you don't have to really focus on your trading metrics. It's a little easier thought out. But like I said, I couldn't sell at $3. I tried selling at 290. I think. Let's see. No. Yeah, I tried to sell 500 shares at 291, didn't. 290, didn't. And I ended up selling all my shares at 274. I was like, you know what? I'm out. These stocks lately, like past couple of days, they're like a little choppy. You don't see the follow through that you usually see. Like usually in a strong small cap market, that's what I trade, small caps. But you'll see this break $3 and then go to like 315. You know what I mean? And that's stress free right there. If I get in and then boom, I'm out. My daily goals hit. More than my daily goals hit, and I'm good. But that didn't happen today. And what's more annoying is yesterday I didn't trade because of this. I looked choppy and I didn't really like anything. So that's the thing. I didn't really like anything. I didn't trade yesterday. Monday was a green day, up $118, so that's good. But today I had the profits there. And another thing is, I was when I was like paper trading or whatever, simulated trading, I'd always trade with 1,000 shares, so it's like easier to like your profits and all that stuff. It's 1,000 shares, you buy at $2, and you sell it at $2.10. You make $100, with 1,000 shares. With this, you have to double everything, and it's just I don't know, a little easier in my mind with 1,000 shares. So I have to get used to this 500 share thing until I start building up my capital, so I can start trading with more size and more often. So that's the only thing I traded today. Like I said, I had this on watch as well, ACHV, and man, and that's the thing with the small capital, man. I wanted to get in at this break at 215 right here, and look, it works out here. But in some instances, say if it was just a minute before, say if I wanted to get in at 215 right here, it would have popped up all the way to 230, if that. That's selling at the high of day. Usually when you get in, you don't really sell at that high of day at the time. It's kind of rare. So let's just say I get like 10 cents profit right here. But the thing is, I'm not worried. That's fine. That's fine. The profit's fine. But that my cash won't be settled until like the next day, the following day after tomorrow. So what's today? Wednesday, Friday. Yeah, my cash wouldn't be settled till Friday, and it's annoying because that's always in the back of my head. I don't want to waste a trade, but in this case, it would have worked out absolutely perfect. I would have got in at 215, and this thing went up to literally $3.20. Let's just say I sold at 285. 70 cents profit per share would have worked out. It's just honestly, I think if I would have booked my profits, it's like a little butterfly effect action here. If I would have booked my profits on the stock before and I wasn't down $75 already, that's another thing. I was already down on the day. If I wasn't down $75, let's say if I was just up $75, I definitely would have took this trade too. And that's part of the game, So I gotta follow my rules, and I can't be greedy at this time. I just need to build my account. I'm always thinking that this will happen. My $425 day, that's holding me over right now because I've been a little, I did good, had a red day, and then I did really, really good, whatever. That's $50, and then red day, green, no trades. The no trades day, I kind of annoyed me too, because I wake up every morning, cannot wait to trade. And everything's choppy, it's kind of annoying. But I gotta get my emotions out of here. I don't know why today I was like, I was filled with emotion. I didn't want to get out. I wanted more. I think it was because yesterday I didn't trade, so I wanted like $200, $300, $400 today. Didn't work out. OHGI minus 70. What was it? 75. Yeah, literally $75 on the dot. I got greedy. Why is this always in capitals? I got greedy. Didn't book profits. Didn't follow strategy. Andre, didn't follow my strategy. I deserve to be red today. It's all good though. Tomorrow's a new day, you know. Hopefully we'll start seeing, me personally, I'll start seeing some better follow through with these stocks. So that's about it for today. Again, this is on my pre-market watch list, this stock, and you know, a lot of people did make money off of this. I got kind of greedy because I didn't, hit $300, $200. I didn't have that follow through at the break of $3 like I wanted it to. And like I said, I'm not using hotkeys, so I'm not totally comfortable with this. I mean, it's not bad. It's just sometimes when the stocks get volatile, you get a little confused and you have to stare at this trade metrics, the charts, and level 2, your time and sales. So I don't know. It just added up to be a bad day, all around. It's all good though. Tomorrow's a new day. I'm just trying to build my account right now so we can start taking bigger sizes, making bigger money, and become professionals off this. Nothing better than this. I'm done by lunchtime every day. Go work out sometimes. Go to the pool, the beach. Read my book, my Game of Thrones book. I love the book. Great book. I'm starting to watch The Office as well. Good funny show. I usually don't watch funny shows, but that one's pretty funny. So that's about it for today. Unfortunate that, like I said, this thing pushed up, broke $3, and fell all the way down. It didn't work out. Some days this thing will break $3 and go the other way. I'll go up to $350, and that's where I make those $500, $400 days. When I just got to realize I got to scale back and tell myself, right now these past 2-3 days, about 2 days, they're just not having that follow through after they break those little mental resistance points like $3, $350. So tomorrow we're back at it. I'll have $4,600 to trade with tomorrow. So tomorrow should hopefully a good day. I'm gonna be cautious, of course, because it's a little choppy here. So thank you guys for watching. We have over 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and I just want you guys to learn from my mistakes. So today was a big important day because I need to learn from these mistakes I've had today. I didn't follow my strategy. My strategy literally was get in at the break at $2 and anticipate selling at $3. I would have been perfectly fine. Up 20 cents, would have had my daily goal. It all started when I messed up my entry and I got in at 286. So now I'm 6 cents above of what I wanted to enter. And then that means I wanted a little bit more off this profit. And then it pushed to 303 and that's it, So again, you got to save this for another day. Save this for another day. Hopefully tomorrow, stress-free trade. I'm gonna study a little bit, trying to get a better feel of when stocks aren't as strong. You know what I mean? When there's a little choppiness, I need to get better at when the stocks are choppy, when to exit. So thank you guys for watching. I'm uploading this on YouTube as well. I'm actually live right now on Facebook, so uploading this to YouTube. And just gonna enjoy my day. Try not to take this loss too annoyingly. It's only $75, like I said. Cut my losses, which is the only thing I did right. Just about. Trust me, it was ego damaging, but you just got to do it sometimes. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back tomorrow morning with our pre-market analysis and our daily recap videos. Peace.